Hey, what's going on, people? A quick review. This pedal, it's Multieffect's 4-channel distortion pedal. It's got a high gain, chorus, delay, and boost, and it's also got a noise gate knob, and it comes with its own power supply, and it also comes with a small manual that you can refer to whenever you try to gather more information about the channels. So let's try it out. I'll be using my clean channel without any distortion, and then I will be adding each channel, and we'll see how each channel sounds. Alright guys, that's the sound of the amp. That's the sound of the amp without any distortion. So it's just a clean channel along with the pedal. So that's pretty powerful indeed. I do recommend the pedal for those who are looking for that extra wetness in their lead channel. I would use this for lead guitar. It works for rhythm, but like the distortion especially and like the delay combined with the boost works way better for lead guitar. It can work for cleans if you play clean guitar, and you can add the chorus to add some nice effects to it. But for the price and the all of the effects and all of the controls that it's got, I would say that it's pretty decent pedal. I recommend it again for those who focus on lead guitar. This is meant for lead guitar or for high distortion. You can also play blues with it, but like I would recommend this to a metalhead friend, and I would recommend messing up with the high gain channel and trying to find your best setting, and then from then try to boost it a little bit, and then slowly add the delay in the chorus until you find that sweet spot, because these knobs are very responsive, and once you set them up to the way you like it, you leave them like that and you're gonna have a nice lead channel. So that's that. Thanks for watching.
A couple of days ago, went to an open mic, and I plugged this directly into a Bose L1M2, and actually it sounded quite good. So you could play a gig with just this unit plugged directly into a PA. No problem. I do use Helix and Kemper, so that is often the way I do play, direct to PA, unless there's a gig where I can use an amp. So that's a very handy thing to have. This would be a great backup to any of those things with basic functions. So it's got a reverb. First here. Totally dry sound from a Boss Katana. And turn on the reverb. Turn that up to kind of absurd levels. If you want to surf out, I guess you can do that. And there's the delay. Of course, you can adjust the time. This is the maximum time, which is plenty. Repeats, you can set it into self-oscillation. I tend to prefer about 4 repeats. Blend knob, so you can, no delay. Lots of delay. So I always like a little bit of delay on, but more subtle. It's got this chorus, which I kind of like. All these knobs have little rubber things around them, so they're easy to turn and they're grippy, and they shouldn't move. There's speed and depth controls. And now the rock amp portion. tone, and gain settings. That's with gain at less than half. Let's crank it and see what happens. Tone control, you want some more highs? And the volume, so you can set that to match or to exceed your clean sound. But that's about it. It sounds great in a band mix. It's really well made. Metal case, good feeling switches. The knobs all feel very smooth and tight, so they shouldn't move on you. Pretty much, it's a great all-around little mini stereo stage effects pedal, not stereo. Thanks.